What's up, KC gang? It's your girl Chris, and I'm back again with another video. What I'll be doing today is just basically making dinner and just showing you the few steps as to what I'm making. So okay gang, so what I'll be making is the family size fried pork chops. These are the seasonings that I'm using: seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic pepper seasoning, and garlic powder. I'm not really too big on seasoning or putting a lot, but hey, the family like it. Also, I'm gonna be using the flour, and this here I'll be making the pasta size butter flavored fettuccine and delicate butter flavored sauce. So check it out.
Hey, yo, good job first.
Starts popping a little bit.
Good job first. Good job first.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
Good job first. Good job first. Hey, yo, good job
Okay,
first.
gang. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. If y'all like what y'all saw, like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what else you want me to do. Okay? Peace.